Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Paint 3D and pick New or load an image so you can jump straight into editing. First, set the canvas dimensions, pixels for screen work or 3D units for models, and lock aspect ratio if you must preserve proportions. Once done, enable layers and switch to 3D view to see depth guides. This helps you place objects accurately. Make sure to save a copy immediately so you can experiment without risking the original file. Now build the scene, insert 3D shapes or convert a 2D layer with Make 3D to get instant geometry. Use the on-screen handles to rotate, scale, and move objects precisely. These tools change perspective and placement, so adjust slowly. Apply materials and colors from the right panel to control reflections and finish. This affects how light reads on surfaces. Once objects sit right, group related pieces and use, align or depth or finish by adding final touches. Text, stickers, and adjust lighting and shadows to make elements read correctly. Once satisfied, export in the right format, PNG or JPG for images, GLB or 3MF for 3D models, so you retain needed features like transparency or model data. If something goes wrong, like missing layers or stuck objects, make sure layers are visible and unlocked. If problems persist, save your file, close the app, and reopen it to clear transient glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.